Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Ucard to Apple Wallet, as you can see right here. So this is what you do. First, you want to ensure that your Ucard actually supports Apple Wallet, because not all Ucard types, support the Apple Wallet. So just visit your provider, check if their app basically has Apple Wallet as an option. So this is from the app itself, right? There's an option to add it to Apple Wallet. So you can go ahead and use that. Right, sign in, navigate to the add to wallet option, and if available, just go ahead and tap on the add to Apple Wallet, follow the on-screen instructions. And what you can also do is you can manually add the U card to your Apple Wallet. So open up the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone, tap on the plus button in the top right corner, and just select debit or credit card. Okay, if basically U card is a payment card, and if it is, just go ahead and scan your U card, or you can also enter the details manually, follow the prompts, complete the setup. Okay, sometimes because some U cards actually require additional verification through the provider's app, so you're going to need to go ahead and do that. And once you have added that, just open your Apple Wallet and tap on your U card to use it. Okay, really that easy and simple. If you're still having trouble, you need to contact their customer support. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.